YouTube, what's going on, man? It's Nyze Swag. Welcome back to another video. If you are new to the channel and you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing down below. It helps the channel grow. In today's video, we got a good one, man. It's been a couple days since the clay and lay, and now it's time to follow up with the moisturizer to get the hair fed with moisture. YouTube, that's what we looking like fresh out the rag, man. Now we gotta follow up with the moisture. So today's video, we will be using HD Waves, as always, Unlimited, the Exotic Butter, and we'll be also using HD Waves Iconic Wave Define. Then we will lay everything down, oil it up with the Royal Emerald Oil, as always, and then lay that all down with a plastic bag. Let's get into it. YouTube, man, now we're gonna grab our Wave Defining Iconic. Just about that much. You don't need too much. Put it in your hands. And then apply. Now we've got that all applied in. Let's brush everything in. We'll start off with the Blue Medium Curve by Brush King. Shout out to BK. We'll brush everything in. YouTube, man, now that we got that all brushed in, now we're gonna follow up behind it with the HD Waves Unlimited Exotic Butter. As same, just going to take that, grab like that much. It's a butter, so it's more solidified. Take it just like that. Just like that. And again, just apply. We're gonna brush that in. Let's go. Again, we'll be using the gray Torino Pro. All these are available at brushking.com. Shout out to BK. Let's get it. So YouTube, all I'm doing is using the mirror right here to look at the camera and then follow my crown. All I'm doing is brushing my hair exactly the way it goes. Oh, nice. How'd you get your hair like this? Just brush your hair. Take a brush, pick it up, and brush. lay everything down to get everything the way we want it before we rag up. We're going to grab our soft brush now, also a Torino Pro, excuse me. This will lay down the hair even better. Then we'll use the plastic bag and then oil up. All right, YouTube, now that we got everything laid down, brushed in, well, glistening, now the ASMR part of this video is the plastic bag, lay down. Grab a plastic bag. Yes, this is a sandwich bag. Hefty, whatever you call it. Put it on your hand, yes. And we're gonna lay our hair just like this. Just like this. That's right. Wait, he's really using a plastic bag on his hair? Yes, I am. Yes. Costs $1.99 at the store. You are absolutely correct. See, this is laying down the hairs with frizz. This is adding shine. This is coating everything. Now that it's laid, still keep your plastic bag. A few drops of oil right on the bag. Take the bag. Distribute the oils all over the top of the bag. See that glossiness? Then just apply it all over to your hair. Now, let's rag up. Grab your do-rag. Any do-rag will work. Ain't gotta be nothing fancy. Grab your cap. Adds extra brushing. Turn around. Take your ties. And that's it, YouTube. All right, we're gonna let the hair sit for a couple hours, let it relax, let it rest. You have brushed and you have lifted your hair. The do-rag needs to lay it down so it can rest. We'll let it sit for probably 2 hours and I'll come back and show you the full results after the session. Keep it locked. Alright, YouTube, we back, man. We've let the hair sit for a little while, let it sit for a couple hours, let it relax, lay down. Now it's time for the results. Let's get it. There it is, man. YouTube, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. If you like today's video, please like, comment, and subscribe down below. It helps the channel grow. Thank you so much. Until next time, may God continue to bless you all and you have a wonderful day. Keep it locked.